Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to vPro Tech. Today I am going to show you some interesting hacks which saves your lots of time while using Google Slides. So let's go. Today we are going to download and install Google Slides in your desktop for Windows PC as well as Mac PC. So firstly, go to your Chrome browser, log in your Chrome browser with your Google account. Then go to Google Apps, select Slides option. Now Google Slides will open in browser, but we want in our desktop. For that, just go to three dots here. Now go to Cast, Save and Share option. After that, click on Install Page as App. Now a window will pop up prompting for installation. Just click on Install. As soon as you click, app will automatically install. You can check your desktop. A new icon will appear there. Now just double click it. Now you can enjoy Google Slides directly from your desktop without going to browser. From here, you can create various presentations. You can choose any template from here, or you can create blank presentation like this. If you have any PPT file in your device, you can directly access from here. In future, further you no longer want this app, you can uninstall from here directly. Just click on three dots here and select uninstall option. It will be removed from your desktop permanently. This trick will save you lots of time. So guys, thank you. I hope this trick will help you a lot. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.